this again. Let me try this one more time.
Okay, try it one more time.
Holy crap.
All right. It'll be flat on that RTY. Well, not yet.
So they could hear you, but not me, right?
They could hear me, but not you.
Okay. Well, at least you got some people some money.
Not much. A little scalp.
Even Tom's screwing with you on the overbought and oversold stochastics.
I know I'm dyslexic when it comes to that. I don't know what it is. Brian can tell you. Whatever. If I say overbought or oversold, just it's the total opposite of whatever I say. I don't know what it is. I just look at it for some reason.
He says oversold.
Yep.
You mean oversold? Yes, it's oversold. All right. Let's see. Let me get my connection turned back on. And maybe I'll actually be able to do something now. This is kind of silly.
You aren't missing anything because ES and NQ are nothing. Yeah, gold is nothing. CL maybe a long we missed there.
I want to get back in 6E short. Well, now that I'm looking at it,
not a very clean. Yeah, I was like, that's not a very clean setup. The only thing I saw there was the long on the RTY.
Oh yeah, that was decent. That's not bad. Make sure
everything else is
lagging. Let me do my little
craptacular.
Let me do a little clock sync real quick. No more daylight savings time. Let's vote it out this year. That needs to be something that goes on.
So now, if we don't do daylight saving time, does that mean we're going to have shorter days?
No, it's just an hour back. I mean, it'd be 11:23 instead of 10:23 right now. That's it. That means in the wintertime, it would be dark until 8 a.m. Who gives a crap if it's dark till 8 a.m.?
They do that because of the kids, right? School buses, that what they?
No, it was done originally because Benjamin Thomas Franklin.
Benjamin Thomas Franklin?
Wanted to did it for the
O'Neill?
I don't know. That was a stupid. I think it's just it was useful back in the day because people got up early, right? Now, like in the
Yeah, but now that we all just sit in front of our computer, we don't have to go outside. We need sunlight.
And for the people who do have to get up early and go outside, we have lights for that. They're LED lights at that.
That's right.
I mean, even China or somewhere, they're putting a freaking mirror in space so you can see at night. So come on. We don't need that. We have technology these days. Okay, seems like my system check is working now. Everybody can hear my mic. You guys can see my screen. I think I have. Yes, it always is a pleasure there. Triple OG. Always.
Triple OG. Oh, is he messaging you?
Yeah. I didn't know who he was until he told me, and I was like, oh heck yeah. Good old Nick made an appearance today.
Nick?
Keeping quiet.
What?
Don't know what he's been doing
Nick's
in the
back.
background.
Where you been, Nick?
Let's see. No, we're trading.
Where are you seeing all this stuff at? Are they messaging you directly or something?
No.
Yeah, too scared to talk in the main.
I don't know if Westy paid to be in the main room yet. Did he?
Is Nick in here?
I don't know if Westy paid to be in the main room yet or not. Yeah, I saw Nick around.
Got some people, some new people here.
All right, let's see here. Let's get a trade in.
Joshua.
That was a
AJ
little bigger
612.
short on the ES, but that was it. That was definitely a short signal.
Do you really want to sell that? You really want to trade the ES?
Oh, the big one. No, I'm trying to look at something else to trade. I really want another 6E short. That's what I really want. I'm not too entertained with the RTY longs. Um, not after this. It did hit a level here. Um, can't take a long now, but I would entertain a pivot between pivot 89 short on RTY. I would totally entertain that. And then back up here just above the 89 on the 6E. I would entertain that short. And I got to be honest with you. Tom mentioned this. He didn't mention it, but he said it. And he got me looking at it. If it sets up, so you had that on here on GC, right here where it just tanked. But when you look at the small tick chart, it's set up really easy. If I get that again on GC on the smaller tick chart, where it's that low risk, I'll entertain that one. And we gotta be careful and look out for this CL. Oh shoot, we might actually be getting it right now. I'm gonna put that in. I like this CL. I like this level. Don't pass me. Don't go without me. I think, yeah, I like this. Let me put a sell stop in and think about this for a second. Make sure this is on my CL thing. I mean, we're definitely at a level. Definitely at a level.
I don't see that.
Some levels.
Oh, you're on a 500 tick, aren't you?
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
think it matters. 600.
Oh, 600 doesn't show me that, or unless I just got different data.
Still got the
Let's
wick
see.
here on the 600. Still got the wick.
But wouldn't it be below that bar?
I like this wick. What is it? That low is 62.98. Well, we got 100 ticks left. 62.98. 62.92. All right. Okay.
I give that a shot. 62.97.
Yeah, maybe it needs to
Only
go.
because I want to trade something.
Maybe it needs to go a little bit higher. We'll see. We'll see what next bar. I'm gonna go back to 500 because I want to see what the bar count looks like. Now you got two bars at the same price. that makes me feel more comfortable if this bar stays down. RTY again, push up here on RTY. I'll look for the short up here. Still not touching the ES or NQ. 6E again. I'd look for the short up here, just above the 89. New bar on the CL. If that goes down, I'll be really happy with what that looks like. Yeah, I'm pretty darn happy with the way that's starting to look out. Let's see here. Probably fill us in another tick. We're filled.
Whoa.
Holy crap.
And just as figures were filled.
That was not cool.
You saw
Let's
that,
go
right?
ahead. Yeah, I'm
What
getting
just
behind
happened?
that crap. That what just
I
happened
just got
was
I
don't
just got
trade.
taken out.
What just
I just
happened
got I
was
can't trade.
get your
I just
butt
lost
out of this.
$100. I don't know what happened. It literally my trade just disappeared.
No, it wicked up. Before I could move my stop, it wicked up and came back down.
But it didn't take you out.
Because I didn't.
You got the same ATR.
My stop was bigger, I guess.
All right, I'm done. I'm not trading. This is
don't get your butt
this
handed
is
to you in this
nah. This is going to end up handing me my ass, and all because of technical things. And that's it for me. I'll try it again if the thing gets better this afternoon.
That's not fun. I'm not doing this.
That was
I'll take the
crap.
loss of that. I'll be down $50. I don't give a crap.
I lost 106. That's not terrible.
No, that's livable. Nope.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
106,
So what
300
happened
on
was
another one.
what had happened was I think your stop uh, was tighter than
Shot
mine.
up to. I'll tell you what my stop is. It's 15 ticks. Is that what you got?
Uh, 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 uh. Yeah.
Yeah, we got the same ticks and the same entry.
Huh.
All I know is it shot up to, but here's the weird thing. A full loss would have been more than
$100.
what I lost. Yeah,
I know.
I
I
lost
should have stayed
106
in that.
bucks.
That CL trade's a real trade, but that was not fun. That was not a cool thing. I did say
Nick,
that this
what's up,
morning.
man?
This is one of those days where they give you the good setup, come back, take your stop, and then take it off in the direction they want to take it in. That was weird. That's weird. Yeah, can't. I don't like it when things like that happen. It scares me. Too big of a pansy. All right, Devin. All right. Some people are making some money. Yeah, I mean, I really wanted to be in this CL trade. This is something I really wanted to be in, but that stuff that stuff doesn't give me the warm and fuzzy. RTY and 6E are trying to do what I wanted to do. I mean, honestly, the long was probably the trade on that CL there. Again, I can't do that one candle setup there. The original short on CL was the that 10 a.m. short. All right, mandatory coffee break. I'll be right back. Now that I've got all my stuff working right. Oh, what that was? That was weird.
Like I said, I'm.
If I were in your situation, my butt would be sitting on the sidelines.
Yeah, I'm just doing other stuff right now. I'm not even going to concern myself with trading because I have no clue what's going on. All I know is my data's all jacked up and I'm getting phantom trades because when I put on a trade, I don't know what that was. It doesn't make any sense. How could I have lost $106 if it was a full stop out? Should have, I mean, I'm glad. Don't get me wrong. Could have been a lot worse. But something isn't right in the trading world today.
No, it's yeah. No,
What
you're
time
right.
is it?
I
Let's
want to
take
I
a
want
break.
to need to make a song up to the Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
Something strange in the trading world. I don't know, something like that. I gotta run to the restroom real quick. I'll be back. I'll ride it out till 11 or so. I mean, what do you want to do? You want to take a 5 minute break?
It's up to you. We can let's take just a quick restroom break and then
We'll
come
just
back.
do okay. We'll do the restroom break
All right.
then. Break time, boss. All right. All right. RTY is getting close to where I want it. 6C is a little bigger risk, but I still want to see this short come out of the 6C. Did it quite get to where I want it? Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, this would be a great spot. I would love to see this on RTY. Get up here. Come on, RTY. Get up here. I'll do a mic check again because it said it was working perfectly. Who's this mic you keep talking about? Seriously, mic check. Back. Now you guys hear me? Been having issues this morning. Just want to make sure I'm working right. Okay. And then I'm assuming that nobody can hear me again. You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? No mic again? Mic check. Okay. All right. Good. All right. Good. All right. I was just wondering because I've been technology issues. I don't know. My computer had an update that it was supposed to go through, and I guess it was just like didn't want me to use anything on it until it went through the update. Okay. I was considering this ES short, but again, my rule this morning is perfect setup. So we may have just missed that RTY short. Dang, that was something that I might want to do. Maybe if this candle pushes back up, let's see, that's 26. So let's see here. It's almost tempting just to be in that thing, isn't it? Gotta do it. Everything else is running down. All right, target's off. I did it on the other chart. Sorry guys, I had to do that RTY short, and I was on the wrong account here. But I got two targets off. So there's a bigger M2 on this chart, which 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 am I on? Let me find the account I'm on real quick. I'm on that one. Okay. We'll see. Maybe it won't go anywhere. Maybe it will. I got two targets off, so we're should be free and clear on this trade. Oh, it's gonna come get me. Oh well. Should have been the entry. Should have been way. Should the entry should have could have what entry should be back here. That was the entry. Um, so if we stay in this, if I stay in this, it'll be just luck. And I'm gonna switch this back to the other account that I wanted it on. If it does that. Let me look at my accounts real quick. Let's see. Into on in the middle. Can't be that too. Well, Oh, hey, that worked out one side on the middle, one side for me. Uh, one tick away from the one tick. CL's not setting up perfect, so I'm gonna ignore that for a minute. Maybe get a swing out of this chop up on the 6E and get that short. I mean, technically on the ES, this would be a breakout short, and that would probably end up working too. Oh, you'd have to be in it right now. That was that would be one I was considering yesterday, and I should have considered today. There you go. Get short, stay short on the ES and NQ now, I guess, for a minute or two. RTY, thank you for keeping me in the trade. I'm gonna target this the bottom of this last swing, so I can find a better spot. That seems like a pretty darn good spot to target. Or it's just gonna come back up and take my stop. Either way, whatever. I'm not touching GC, bro. Um, if well, all right. So it's got to be I think perfect. My theme of the morning is perfect setups only. It was a pretty good perfect setup there on RTY. It was pretty darn close to what I call perfect. Few candles in one spot stopping. Just not seeing a perfect one there. I mean, on the small tick chart, if it sets up, I mean, it did set up on a small tick chart. I'm going with the big tick chart because of probability today. Now 6E is setting up here for the short. Um, may passing on that one because I don't know if it's quite where I want it to come from, but it's actually pretty close. What the pivot comes up to this little area in the day yesterday in Globex. Let's get up to the pivot. There's the GC working out on a smaller tick chart, just not my trade.
I want to trade.
Just not my trade.
Ooh, nice Crable breakout. Look at that.
Oh, is that right?
On NQ, yeah, NQ and ES. NQ better than well, no, both of them. Nothing that we could have. Yeah, this is short now, big time.
Sorry, Dan. There you go. That email from Miss Paulina, guys, is legit. If you're questioning it, it is legit. Off in text earlier. I don't have a phone right now. I kind of like it, Paul. To be honest with you, I gotta be honest with you. I kind of like not having a phone. The new one's supposed to be at the store. I need to go get it this afternoon.
Let NQ pull up maybe for a short.
Yeah.
I don't like the longs there.
Well, let's think about today. I mean, like, what do we? Because I mean, the odds of getting swings the hour in front of the Fed are usually pretty low. I mean, maybe we just take a few breaks this morning. That was at 60 short. It just didn't go quite up to where I wanted it to. I was looking at it. I was looking at 60 short really hard there. That was it. I wanted to go a little bit. I wanted to be up just a little bit higher based on what the yesterday's. I wanted to be in this junk from yesterday, right around the pivot. Yeah, it did go up to it. Definitely went up to a little bit of a level though. Not. I don't try scalping the 60 because it doesn't come with enough juice. I want those big swings.
Yeah, it's not enough volatility for it to scalp.
No, I want a
Scalp
big.
could take you 2 hours.
I know. I want it to come from a big swing. I want a big swing up, big swing down, and then a good setup on 60. Same thing on GC. I like to trade the GC and 60 similar. Get the big swing up, big swing down, and a good perfect setup. Take the trade. Now I will take a trade on 60 that's not a perfect setup just because I like it. I will not take a trade on the GC that's not a perfect setup because it will bite you in the. It'll bite you more than the ass. It'll bite you in everything. Very nice. Oh, Lulu's back in the swing of things, just typing away. Get back to the
Nice.
90s. Yeah.
Back to the 90s. You might go back to the 90s where? Oh, ES down to the 90s?
No, she's talking
Is that
about
what you're
the
saying?
90s in general, without the
90s is
cell,
in general?
without the
Oh,
cell
okay.
phone, without the cell phones. I called the breakout on the ES and NQ on the short side. It's not in my trade plan today, but I called it.
The NQ's a short. Just you can't know where to get in, but it's
He's
a
a
short.
short too. I don't have a place to get in.
Yeah, as I say, there's nowhere to get in, but it's definitely a short.
RTY is a short.
Yeah, RTY also looks like it's a short. RTY, you can almost justify an entry here. Almost.
I was just about
A
to say
sloppy
that.
one.
Sloppy pickle. Call it the sloppy pickle entry. I bought some horseradish pickles. Those things are delicious.
Pork, radish, pickles.
Horseradish.
Horseradish pickles?
Yes.
I am not a pickle fan.
And you would not have liked that dish I made last night. Brussels sprout, cauliflower, fresh herbs, those sweet peppers. Had a little bit of rosemary in it.
Yeah, that plate looked good.
I put I used that black truffle
Hot
hot
sauce.
sauce. Uh huh.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
It was, oh my goodness. That's what I'm having
That
for.
bottle's about history over here.
That's what I'm having for lunch. Oh, I'm on my third bottle.
Yeah.
I'm considering this RTY, man. I mean, uh, the, the,
You'd have to get in at
that's
what?
what the
Say
in
66.4?
another tick. Yeah, you need to be in this.
Try it.
That I just can't do it. I told myself I was gonna do perfect setups. The perfect setup was up here. That's the short though. Trying to find. There might be a old buy opportunity on the NQ coming down here. And the ES, you'd have to maybe have a buy stop in like it's a decent little structure. Have a buy stop in like here maybe. What was that high? 91 even. Let's see. Think about this for a second. And that would be long on the ES as well. ES is down where I would take the long from anyway. Do I want to try it on both or just in you? What do you think, Paul? You down for it? Looking at this long?
Long?
Yeah, maybe somewhere like right here.
RTY didn't work.
Yeah, I did. That wasn't a setup for me. All right, well, fill it on the ES. Let's see if it goes against target. Chart says it's supposed to work, so I'm gonna go with it, saying it's supposed to work. Let's see here. Oh, come on, ES. You got it. You can do this. You can do this. Well, I guess if the NQ doesn't stay up, I gotta cancel that ES. One of them's gonna drag the other, huh?
Yeah. I mean,
You
this
didn't
is
do it, did you?
garbage.
You're sitting on the
No, I
sidelines.
didn't do it. No, I didn't do it. I'm not trading. I'm down across 3 counts.
Oh, and it's in
I
the
got
wrong account too. I should just cancel
I
this
got
trade.
nothing green, so there's no
That's in the
sense to
wrong
give
account.
money back. Only trade I've had that won was
Yeah.
that 6E.
Yeah, I'm gonna close this guy out here. Okay.
I'm just waiting for 11 so I can walk away.
I had that in the wrong account. Well, walk away now. I mean, shoot.
Be back around 2 for the FOMC.
I still think this is a
Ugh,
decent long. I
pickles.
do.
Do not like
I,
pickles.
I just think it was a little premature on the ES. I like this spot on the NQ for a long. I like it. I mean, if it doesn't break down any further, and again, here I go again on my own.
I don't. I just think it's going to go short. It looks the momentum, everything looks like this has got.
All right, you're right. You're right.
It's like long. If anything, I was looking for a way to get short on the NQ, but it never gave me a real setup.
All right. Okay. Smarty.
But I mean, that's not saying now you're at an area here where I
I'm
mean,
still not opposed to it. I
really just
think this
want
is
it
there
down
for
around
longs.
79.
Well, all
That's
right. So
where
this was an okay setup for me on the NQ, right? Like I'm happy up until that last bar. I was happy with that being set up on the NQ. Up until this bar, I was happy with that being set up on the ES. I mean, 2 or 3 bars stopped in the same spot, got my wicks. That to me, maybe not the A plus setup, but definitely on the NQ and the A setup. So I mean those are setups that I would trade and I want to
yeah.
trade. Those are setups I want to trade. Most of the time, I mean, look, I'll take $100 eat $100 on that. Who cares? At
Well,
least
it
I
didn't set
didn't.
up anyway, so it's irrelevant.
It set up, got me in the
Well,
trade,
oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
and
You're
then
talking
the
about the
next
ES. I'm
bar
looking at the NQ.
didn't come back down. So I was like, no. And the NQ didn't stay up either. That bar didn't stay up on the NQ. So I was like, okay, well, the pressure's down. I'm gonna jump out.
I mean, now if the NQ comes down and sets up,
Got to be perfect setup though. Still got to be 2 bars, wicks on the bottom, something like that. I'd rather take the small loss. Well, Dave, I mean, if you want to look at ES, here's me. This is, everybody knows this. I'm a level person. This is a level. They traded here before. I'll trade from where they traded from before. That's just me. If I see a swing that came from something, I don't like trading this stuff, but if I see a swing, price came out of here before. Price came out of here before. I
yes. I'm like, what are you seeing?
That's just me. That's you'll never. That's the one thing about my trading that's never going to change. I'm always going to look back and see where price came from.
And that keeps you consistent.
That's yeah. That's what keeps me consistent. Always, yeah, nobody will ever get me to change that because that's. I mean, I think if you don't do that, you're not doing it right as a trader, right, Dave?
Always look left to trade
Okay,
right.
there you go. Oh, there you go. Hey, there. I'll be over there. That's why. Oh, we're losing all those terms. No, none of those terms. I'm gonna have to delete that comment. Can I delete
What's that?
comments?
Look left to stay right.
Yeah, we're making new stuff
But I
up.
mean, that's a legit term, though.
I'm still deleting it.
I coined that before, way before. Can't take that away from me. OTA, baby.
That's the one thing I got from OTA was if you always look to the left, you will find a level that you can trade from, and then don't do anything in the middle.
Then you only had to pay $250,000 for that.
Yeah, in my case, it was like 27,000.
Yeah.
I got sucked.
You only had to pay him. Only had 1.7 million for that little bit of information.
I was already down like 350 to 400 grand and losing on trading at that point. So I was like, wow, what's another $27,000? I mean,
exactly. What's it going to hurt?
The bad words. No, they're definitely a scam out of advanced support and resistance training. That's all you get.
You could pretty much Google and get on YouTube for free.
What'd you say?
I said most of that stuff too you can get on YouTube for free.
Oh, you can get all of it on YouTube for free. And people don't realize that. It's just.
But they'll charge you $30,000 for it and make it sound good.
$30,000 for an education and no real live trading. You don't get this. You don't get an actual live, like, unless you're sitting in the class. Or you pay the extra money. No, they're not. The best gurus are not on YouTube. That if you're the best guru, you don't need to be on YouTube. That's the point. Are there good traders on YouTube? Yes.
Yeah, there's a couple of those guys that are really good.
If you're the best, you don't need freaking YouTube. People are coming to you. And if you're really that good, you don't need anybody.
What? Patrick Whelan?
I like that one dude. There's a few guys I like.
Yeah, there's a couple guys. There's 2 or 3 guys that are like real traders.
Good traders.
Yeah, they're legit traders.
Yeah, smart.
And then the rest of them are just selling affiliates to.
Yeah, they're just selling affiliate stuff, which we are going to be selling affiliate stuff. Don't get us wrong.
So are we.
Selling affiliate stuff.
Yeah, we're going to do it too. Why not?
It works.
I'm gonna start taking pictures with Lamborghinis and can we rent a couple Lamborghinis next week?
Go to the Lamborghini dealership.
Yeah, go rent a couple. Or yeah, rent the dealership. Yep, here picking up my keys in my new car.
No, take it for a test drive. That's all you gotta do is take it for a test drive.
Yeah, and then you take pictures with it and say it's yours. Yeah, park it right in front of some mansion. Just pull into some dude's circular mansion real quick, jump out, take a picture, and drive off. Before they come screaming out.
There's a house at the corner of Hammond and Glen Ridge, or just back from it. That's massive.
Oh, without a doubt, Dave. They make between that and their affiliate sales. Shoot, there was one guy.
Oh yeah, they do.
I was watching one thing. One guy's making about almost $300,000 a month just on affiliate sales. I'm like, that's insane.
Yeah, that's
that man. But I'll tell you, the tricks of the trade is real simple.
Speaking of, if you do want the best discount.
Speaking of affiliate sales,
on always the best discount for Bull and Ox, you can just go put
2 dudes
in. That's a real thing.
Working on Lucy.
That's a real thing too. You can
working
totally
on
use our
moves.
discount code and always get the best special that Bulldogs has. Two
Hey, every
dudes.
little bit helps. We're not. We're hey. We're open book here, straightforward. We're here look. This is a real
Stupid.
simple platform. This channel's for Brian and I to trade because honestly,
That's what we're doing.
this is what it was what's paying our bills, and then you guys just get the benefit of being here and hanging out and learning and keeping it
Trading
simple,
with
keeping
us.
it affordable,
Trading with us.
and
Oh,
trade
Devin.
with
Well,
us.
I'm look at Devin. He's made his
No one,
money. He's made his money
no,
to pay for almost half a
yeah,
year now.
nobody's trying to claim guru status, just trader status.
Yachts. Oh yeah. I got a buddy. What he's a guy. He's a guy that was a member at LTC. That he ran Taylor Swift's whatchamacallit tour. All the planes. He has her plane in his hangar. Aries tour or whatever it is. He's pretty well off, well connected. He's got a couple of planes and helicopters. Miss P went right in his helicopter a couple times. I don't think did I ride in his, no, I don't think I went in his helicopter. To be like, what was that the scene in Wolf of Wall Street where he's driving the helicopter? Just blitzed out of his mind.
Well, that's the no. He's driving the Lamborghini, right?
Oh, I thought he did that with a helicopter too in that movie.
I thought it was a Lamborghini. I don't know. That's a good movie though.
Oh yeah, no, that dude's yacht's freaking huge. All right. I mean, honestly, trading wise, Paul, are we doing this? I
I'm
mean,
not.
I
No,
here's what
I'm
I'm going
just
to
here
entertain. Here's what I'm going to look at. I'm going to look
chit
at
chatting.
a 6C short if it comes up and makes a good signal. Okay. I would look at this ES as a short again if it comes up and makes a good signal. Not touching the freaking RTY, not touching CL and that crap. And I'm gonna see if GC makes a good signal in a smaller tick chart, but it doesn't look like it. So I would do the ES short and the NQ. I'd probably try to get at the same time, if and only if everything lines up perfectly. If not, I say we take a break for the morning, call it a morning.
Yeah, I think when we walk though, there's whenever we take the break, we should just come back before FOMC because this is going to be dead till then.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I mean maybe
There's
check
no
back in at
sense.
like 12:30. Maybe check back in. I'll kill the stream on YouTube and just give you guys maybe what time is it right now?
If you guys want, you guys can go into the member hangout and
Yeah, go ahead and hang out. I mean, don't.
chat it up in there if you want.
It's 11:08. Um, check back in. I mean, maybe like every
Somebody just jumped
check
over
back in
there.
at like noon, and then check back in at like 1 if there's nothing going on. I'm pretty sure there's not going to be a change. I don't think there's going to be a big change before. Well, all right. So I don't think there's going to be a change in the Fed rate. Fed's not going to make a change. So you're kind of priced in, I think. And the smart move, probably based on Globex, is to get the deeper pullback on the long side. But I would probably entertain again. I'm gonna look here for a couple more minutes to see if we get a short out of this. That's it. That's all. That's all I want to do, right, Paul? The thing with
Yeah, yeah,
closing
yeah.
it, unless I'm mistaken, is that you
I'm
can't
with you.
be in both there and here at the same time. Yeah, no, that's fine, Chris. If we're on and there's people in members hangout, we'll come over and tell you.
Yeah, if we come back in, Chris, we'll jump in the member hangout and
Yeah,
tell
you
you to come
guys.
over.
Yeah,
We
we'll
won't
tell you.
leave anybody
We
hanging
won't
in
leave you
there.
guys. Yeah, we won't leave you like there.
In fact, what we could do is you could just shut your screen down here and put it up in the member hangout.
Yeah, I just won't be talking. If you
Yeah,
guys
it
want
just
me to
won't
do
be
that
anybody
while we're
talking.
on
But
break, I can.
you guys have mic access in there. You guys can talk. You guys can do whatever you want in there. That's hence the word, right?
Yeah, I mean, if I'm not trading, I'll put my screen up if you guys want me to in members hangout. I just won't be trading it, and then when you guys know it goes out of there, it's back in the live stream.
Yeah, once it's killed in the member hangout, come back over to the other one.
All
Or
right,
just
yeah,
close
maybe that'll
this or
facilitate people.
here's a thought. Close this stream down and then when we come back on, we just open it back up.
Yeah.
That way everybody has to go over to the member hangout.
Well, if I move my screen over there, it'll close the stream anyway.
Oh, oh, that's true. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it will. Because it's under your thing, right? Because I tried to close it the other day and I couldn't close it. So because I looked at it, it was like 300 hours running. It's like okay, we could probably reset it.
Sorry, I was on mute.
So I didn't hear what you said.
I know you
Sun
didn't.
speaking. You can be in the stage and voice chat at the same time. You can be in a stage and voice chat at the same time. Huh?
Her son is
Yeah.
saying that you can do both at the same time.
We can be in two channels at the same time?
I don't know.
How do you do that?
I don't think we have this set up that way. I think we have security measures so people
Yeah,
can't do that.
every time I try to go into another hangout, another voice channel, I mean, you could be in, like, you could chat in other channels,
Here, watch. I'll go to
but
member
you can't
hangout
be
right
in a
now.
live
Watch.
stream. Like, right, if he leaves
Watch. I'm
if
just
he
gonna go
tries
to
to go into member hangout,
Yeah, confirm. I'm here. I'm back.
it's coming back.
I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yep.
See? There you go. I don't think ours. Unless you want to tell your son to jump on and tell us how to do it.
I was gonna say, yeah, he's welcome to come on and
He's
show us how to
welcome to
do
come on
it.
and show us how to
We
do
are
it.
definitely not. It's not two tech dudes trading. It's two
It's
normal
two
dudes.
normal dudes trading.
Hence,
That's why
we
we
don't
put
know
it. We didn't even. We
squat
talked
about
about
it.
this. We were gonna say two dudes trading was gonna be it, and I was like, nope, we can't be two dudes trading. We gotta be two normal dudes trading because people will get misconception that we might actually know something.
He's welcome to come in and give all the advice he wants because he's probably knows a heck of a lot more than we do.
Stage and another voice chat is kind of weird.
Yeah, so you can't be in two voice chats at once, basically. So this is considered a voice chat, I guess. I call it a stream.
I don't look. I don't know. Here's what I do know. You can see my charts. You can hear my voice. If I move my charts over to the other place, you can see my charts, and you can hear my voice if I'm on. All right, guys. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put there's nothing. I'm looking at the CS short and looking at it and looking at it and just talking myself out of it because it just didn't do what I wanted it to do again. Not the perfect setup.
I'm just gonna wait. I've taken a beating today. I'm gonna wait.
I haven't taken a beating, but
I mean, they're not. I say beatings. I mean, they're small little lashings. They're not.
I got one
But
account that's
it's
down.
enough to tell me
One
to stay
account
away.
that's
And
down like
none of my
50.
own either. I mean, nothing I've done is my fault. It's all technical crap.
No, I mean, I've got a few little small losses and a couple good wins, so I'm not.
I got that one win on 6E. Okay, you know it's a weird day when every other trade's been a loss except for 6E. Okay, if that's not the trading gods telling me, watch this. Hold my beer.
Stay away from it. 12. Still wouldn't have hit my target, would it? No, yeah, it would have actually it would have this it would have done its normal thing, ticked into my target, and then yeah, I can't do this. I'm not gonna do this, guys. Let's just take a break.
All right. So move your charts over to the other thing.
Yeah,
You guys go over to the member hangout. Everybody can talk in there if they want to.
let's
And
see.
when we come back on, we'll jump in there and tell you to come back over.
Let's just
See
make
how easy
sure
that is?
everybody can hear it. Okay, that's the wake up alarm. I'm moving my charts over to the member hang. moving my charts over to the member hangout. You guys go over there if you guys want to chat. My
Yay.
charts will be there. You won't see me there or Paul there. You'll just see my charts and get them on over there. Bye.
Oh, dude, today's Wednesday. Yay.
Let me tell everybody that my chart's gonna be. Hold on a second. Let me tell everybody my chart. Let me just post a message over there real quick and let them know my charts are gonna be here. And then when they move back over, you guys will know. Whoever's in here, confirm. I wonder if I can. Let's tell everybody go to memory hangout. Go to member hangout. My charts up there. Okay, there we go. There's that. Let me pop back over to